So here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to solve a one-step inequality. Here I have x over 5 is less than or equal to 2. What's happening to the variable? It's being divided by 5. How do we undo that? Well, to do division, we have to multiply. In this case, I'm going to multiply the left side by 5, or 5 over 1. And how do we keep balance? To keep balance, what I would do to the left side, I need to do to the right side. I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. That's going to simplify, isolate the variable. X is less than or equal to 10. Now when I'm graphing this, I'm going to graph a closed circle. So I'm going to go ahead and put a closed circle on 10. My values that are less than 10 are going to be to the left. I'm going to pretend that's a straight line again. This is my solution set, and this is my graph.